Oh my God, you guys. Number one, glad to be alive. Number two, got our new location, West Asheville, right across from Biscuit Head, my favorite breakfast place. This place is awesome. It's got everything. We got e-bike risers, we got slat walls, we got places for merchandise. Just so excited. This whole business started in my living room, building e-bikes one at a time. We got one location in River Arts District. Now we have a second location, West Asheville. We have patents coming on products. We have big things to announce pretty soon. Please subscribe to the channel. There's a lot of things you don't want to miss out on. We just worked it out. We'll be here opening any day now. Beautiful place, was filled with guitars. But we just got the guitars cleared out, moved in the back. Guitar Trader's still gonna run by appointment in the back. Check out theguitartrader.com. You wanna get some guitar goods in West Asheville. They're not disappeared, they're just changing business models. Let us know what you think in the comments below. If you got any decoration ideas or you wanna come down and hang out, let us know. And subscribe to the channel. We have a lot of big things coming. I think you'll be surprised. So thanks you guys, miles of smiles.